Students, now we will see a simple problems on the series and cascade connection of your LTI systems. Here I am taking an example for discrete LTI system. So question is, consider the interconnection of LTI systems as shown. See here, we are having actually four LTI systems, H1, H2, H3, H4. H1 is having impulse response H1 of n, H2 system as H2 of n, H3 system as H3 of n, H4 system as H4 of n. So here this is how the system is interconnected. If you observe, these two are connected in parallel. Okay, this parallel combination is in series with H3 system and this whole combination is again in parallel with H4 system. So the impulse response of each system is given by. So here each impulse response is defined. So H1 of n is U of n, H2 of n is U of n plus 2 minus U of n, H3 of n is just del of n minus 2, H4 of n is alpha n U of n. Now the question is, find the impulse response of overall system. So now we have to reduce this, that's all. See, first we will reduce this. See, since they are in parallel, the total impulse response we call it as H1 2. So this is just the addition of this. So here I have written H12 of n is H1 of n plus H2 of n. Then you will get the simplified diagram like this. So now you can simplify these two. Now this H12 of n is in series with H3 of n. So the total impulse response of this branch is what? H123 of n equals H1 of n plus H2 of n. This whole thing is convolved with H3 of n. So like this I will get a reduced diagram. Now if you take this branch again, this is in parallel with this. Okay, and here observe, there is a summation in the question where you have plus and minus symbol. Since plus and minus are there, when they are in parallel connection, usually we will do the addition of these two. Since here there is a negative symbol, so the H1, 2, 3, 4. So these are all the overall response of the complete system. So in combining first, second, third, fourth system, we will have H1, 2, 3 minus H4 of n. So H of n also you can write, or H1, 2, 3, 4 of n also you can write. So this is the overall impulse response. So it is H1 of n plus H2 of n. When you do the addition, after that is convolved each H3 of n, then that whole thing is subtracted from H4 of n. So this is the final equation. Since the H1, H2, H3, H4 they have given, now we have to evaluate this equation. See here, H1 of 2 is H1 of n plus H2 of n. H1 of n is U of n, H2 of n is U of n plus 2 minus U of n. So this U of n get cancels and we are left with U of n plus 2. Now this should be convolved with H3 of n. So U of n plus 2 convolution del of n minus 2. So this is U of n plus 2. This is del of n minus 2. Okay. So if you fold this, since this is the second signal that is appearing in the order, if you fold it and if you shift also, so we are going to get the value like this. See, when you fold this, this is the mirror image you will get. Okay. So when you multiply this with the 0 shift, y of n is equal to 0 for n less than 0. That means if this is shifted towards left, we will get 0. But if it shifted towards right, okay, so we are going to get 1. So at n equals 0, you will get a 1 value. 1 into 1, 1. So y of 0 is 1. And when n is equal to 1 also, this will be shifted here. Since from minus 2 to plus infinity, your u of n plus 2 exists. So from all these values, you will get that. Therefore, so when u of n plus 2 is convolved with del of n minus 2, we are going to get a u of n signal. By u of n, because y of 0 exists from n equals 0 to infinity. Okay, so because of that, I can write H1, 2, 3 as u of n. The last step is what? Then you have to subtract this with H4 of n. So what is your H4 of n? Alpha to the power of n u of n, that is given in the question. If I write like this, so take u of n common and 1 minus alpha n u of n. So like this we have to simplify. So one more example is here. So they will give the interconnection of the systems and they will give the impulse response of each. So here if you observe, so first you simplify this, the parallel connection. So if you simplify this, then so H23 will be equal to H2 of n plus H3 of n. Then that whole combination is in series with H1 of n. So we have to convolve them. Okay. So if you do the convolution, H1 of n convolution h23 of n. So here directly we are simplifying. What is h2 of n given? U of n minus 2. What is h3 of n given? Del of n plus del of n minus 1. So if you add all these things, this is h1, h23 of n. So what is your h1 of n? Half to the power of n u of n. So half to the power of u of n, convolution of this whole thing. So if I plot this, your signal will appear like this. This is half to the power of n u of n. So since it is half, it's a decreasing exponential. U of n minus 2 plus del of n plus del of n minus 1 will give you u of n. You can simplify and you can observe. Okay. So u of n minus 2 means your signal actually appears from 2. Okay. So plus del of n means del of n is having a signal at 0. Del of n minus 1 means you will be having a signal at 1. So if you add all these things, you will get u of n. So that is nothing but u of n. So since this is the second, you just fold it and shift. We are going to get like this. Okay. So and by using your geometric series, so we can simplify it, and finally your answer is 1 minus half to the power of n plus 1 divided by 1 minus half. See, all these documents are available in the notes which I have shared. Okay, before starting the video classes, you please refer those videos for PDF document of all these module 3 topics. Thank you.